We're at iMedical Equipment and Service. We're looking at power exam tables, and we're looking at the Midmark 623. And as you know, I do a lot of videos with a lot of the medical equipment, but and usually in the showroom, which is beautiful, where everything's staged. But I wanted to come back and do this one back in the warehouse because I wanted to give you an idea of how much inventory we've got that's available. And these are all power exam tables that have the bases all completely redone, brand new tops. They've all been checked out. We've got all the paperwork on every single one of those, and we have a lot of inventory. There's probably, right now about 35 or 40 of these in stock, and probably another 15 that are back being recertified and getting brand new tops and that put on them. So the Midmark 623, you have two Midmark models that are power exam tables, Midmark being the brand on the side, the 622 and the 623. What is the difference between the two? Well, the difference is that the 623 is power up and down, and it's power back up and down. So there's absolutely no manual adjustment that's done. Everything is going to be done here off of the foot switch. And so the Midmark 622 would be power up and down, but this piece right here would have a little push in, and that push in basically would manual adjust the back. So this is basically the 623, which is full power, and I did raise it up. The reason I did that is because I want people to see, how low these go to the ground. Now, when these are sitting on the ground, they're 18 inches off the ground. That's referred to as what we call barrier-free. Barrier-free meaning that you obviously don't need a step stool or anything for anybody to get on those. So for patients with limited mobility, these are ideal because for risk management, there's never really a chance of people having an issue trying to get up and on and off the exam table. So these are very, very they're very popular, obviously, for all different types of medical practices. But the 623 is probably one of the nicest ones that you can get right now in the recertified market. And you can see there's other, manual ones, some 204s and some other ones. But the 623, once again, has the pull-out door, right? So we've got that. I'm going to go ahead and put that in. All exam tables have optional stirrups that you can pull out. So the stirrups are always included. You never have to worry about if it's going to have stirrups or not. They're always in there. Anything that's made by Ritter and Midmark is always going to include the exam stirrups. But which is nice, if you're not needing them, they tuck away and they're completely out of the way. Now, you do have some other optional features. One is basically a heated seat, and the other one is a drawer warmer. And the heated seat is really not an option that's available on most of these. These are ones that obviously the hospital or the medical center that ordered these put those in. But the heated drawer for speculums and any types of disposables, those are an option. So if that's something that if it's an OB/GYN or some type of practice where you do want to have a heated drawer, it's an optional feature. It probably is included maybe on about 25% of the tables that come in. But if you're looking for recertified patient-ready medical equipment exam tables, and specifically power exam tables, the Ritter Midmark 622, 623, and Midmark and Ritter is the same company, so they market themselves under two different brand names. And so for Ritter, it would be a 222 and a 223, with the 222 having the feature of power up and down and manual adjustment, and the Ritter 223 being power up and down and power back up and down, exactly like what we've got here with the Midmark 623. So iMedical Equipment and Service, I wanted to shoot this video just to give you an idea of all the patient-ready power exam tables that are out right now that are available, and also to let you know that we also do carry the exam room lights, the stools, the EKGs, the patient monitors, anything and everything you need for the doctor's office, ultrasounds, depending on whatever type of practice it is, obviously, right? We carry all that, and it's all basically biomed certified, patient ready, all comes with the warranty. So if you're looking for power exam tables, once again, the Midmark 623 is an excellent choice. There's a lot of these now that are starting to come back into stock. There was very short inventory for a very long time, and the time frames for getting equipment was really pushed back. But in an effort to, just get the information out there to let people know that inventory is coming back out and that there is a lot of inventory available, I wanted to shoot this video and showcase the Midmark 623 here in the warehouse. So once again, give us a call if you're looking for anything related for your exam room, power exam tables, Midmark, Ritter, we carry all of them. You can see over here we've actually got some 204s, and this is just one small section of a 70,000 square foot warehouse that is full of equipment. So give us a call, iMedical Equipment, iMedical Healthcare Solutions. You can reach us 804-929-6886, and then you can also get more information off the website and go down to the description area of the video. I'll put in our toll-free number, and then in addition to that, I'll also put in our website with a link to the exam tables. You can get pricing, contact us. We can ship these anywhere in the United States. We ship these all over the world, setting up hospitals, medical centers all over. So give us a call, iMedical Healthcare Solutions. We are your one-stop shop for all your medical equipment and exam table needs.